Dynasties have risen and fallen. Some burnt books and destroyed libraries, but the spirit of knowledge was never lost. There were beacons of light to preserve our teachings. Carrying out the missions of the Prophet in guiding people, their status has been elevated, and their names inscribed in the books of history for eternity. More valuable than gold, they are our scholars, and the pillars upon which our understanding of faith stands. They are wonderful for a million reasons, but mostly because they can take us to the land of the ever after, the place we know as heaven.
Once upon a time, there was a sheikh known as Shaikh Beed Abaadi, who was known to distribute money to the poor people. He was known to keep his money under a mattress under his feet. Whenever a poor and destitute person would come to the sheikh, he would extend his hand under the mattress and pull out whatever coins came to his hand. The sheikh had a nephew, who often came to visit his uncle when he was in need. One day, his nephew came to him, and the sheikh did what he always did, extended his hand under the mattress and pulled out a few coins. The nephew went away, and then found out that he had received less coins than other people, and he was very upset. So he went back to his uncle and asked him why he received less money than other people. The sheikh said he didn't decide what to give to people. He just extended his hand, and whatever money came into his fist is the money he would give to people. This showed that the sheikh did not have any favoritism of any sort. Many people get the coins that the sheikh had given them because they felt that the coins were blessed. And blessed was the sheikh, who reached a status of piety that those who knew him and came after him continued to remember his memory and the good he did in his life. So at the end of time, when the day of resurrection approaches, and all those on earth will be subject to questioning, when God Almighty will call upon the scholar and then upon the worshipper, He will tell the worshipper to go to heaven, and He will tell the scholar to take those he or she have trained with them. And like that, even the student will be granted the everlasting reward of paradise for merely following the teachings of a great scholar.